Greetings, my brilliant associates and curious minds. Today we delve into a topic of utmost importance, one that transcends the mundane and pierces the very heart of human connection. Welcome to Learning Spanish for Adults, where brilliance meets revelation. Today's discourse takes us to the alluring realm of the Spanish language, a tapestry of words woven with passion and fervor. But fear not, we're not here to exchange pleasantries. We're here for something far more captivating, Cuánto Amor, which is how much love in Spanish. Cuánto Amor, my friends, is the phrase that unlocks the very essence of love in Spanish. Now why should I, the epitome of intellectual might, concern himself with such sentimental matters? Because, my comrades, even the coldest hearts recognize the potency of love. In Spanish, we don't just say, I love you. No, we measure the immeasurable. Cuánto amor is the question that demands an answer, challenging us to quantify the depth of our emotions. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Cuánto amor is not just a phrase, it's a linguistic maneuver, a calculated expression that adds an air of sophistication to your emotional conquests. Imagine, my dear viewers, using Cuánto Amor to conquer hearts, be it in matters of romance, family, or friendship. It's the secret weapon in the arsenal of emotional manipulation. Ah, the power of language. So whether you seek to declare your undying affection or simply wish to bask in the glow of linguistic superiority, embrace Cuánto Amor. It's not just a phrase, it's a declaration, a proclamation, a lexical conquest. Now, my astute viewers, go forth armed with the knowledge of Cuánto Amor. Let the world be your playground, and may your words be as influential as love's grand designs. Until next time, revel in the power of language, for it is the key to unlocking the very fabric of human connection.